This is the cucumber variety Mini Petita, and because it has given a lot of crops, I don't want the wait and put a lot of energy for one crop. So I'm going to harvest them as they are, when they are available. So this is the second or third harvest of this cucumber, and they grow a little bit bigger, a little fatter. That's it, and I like it that way. These are called Persian cucumbers because they're small. The variety's name is Mini Petita, mini tiny. English cucumbers are big, 1 foot long, and they're not as tender and edible as these ones. But anyway, I prefer these ones. And you don't need that long to wait for this, so they will be ready when they're ready. And on this one we have also some crop. I'm going to harvest this one also. So I don't want to have a lot of cucumber and then no cucumber. So I'm going to harvest it, so encouraging the actual flowering. This one will be the next one. 3 at the moment is enough. Oh, let me harvest this one also. That's it. So I'll harvested 2 also from this plant. So 4 of the Persian cucumbers ready to be enjoyed, and the plant can grow more as it knows that it has to do more. Okay, these are the cucumbers, and I'm using them in this salad for summer. It's a mixture of this salad, lettuce leaf from the allotment, some tomato, some basil from the polytunnel again, some 4 beans out the can of it, and I will add some boiled egg, which is from the chickens, and some boiled potato, which already I have it, and mixture of everything. Maybe a nice summer meal instead of eating something heavy. This is the best thing you can eat. That's the Persian salad anyway. Now I had added some olives, some also 1 onion chopped into it, and eggs and potato. And now I'm squeezing a lime or lemon, it doesn't matter what it is, just give it a flavor. Then I will add that cheddar cheese grated into it, so instead of salt we will have that. And then you can serve it, mix it if you want more further, and you can serve it.